Hello everyone, this is Mike Govea from BK Mike, and I wanted to do this short video because some of you weren't able to be on the United States Trustees call this week, or nor were you able to be on my call this week. So I wanted to catch you up on the things that are happening in the Riverside Bankruptcy Court, and especially the telephonic hearings that we're going to be having in bankruptcy. So first and foremost, if you go to my website at bkmike.com, it'll have all the forms and things that we're referring to in this short video. Number one, the first question that was answered was, yes, we're going to be doing Spanish interpreter cases. With these telephonic 341 hearings, Spanish interpreters will be allowed. So if your client needs Spanish, just tell the trustee in the hearing room, virtual hearing room, and the trustee will dial up the interpreter just like before. So that's not going to be a problem. Second thing is, in order for the hearings to go forward, you are going to have to get your client's photo ID and Social Security card copies to the trustee. Now this is a little bit harder than it would seem because each trustee has a different mechanism for receiving the information. For example, on Monday the 13th, Charles Daff wants the information, the photo ID and the Social Security number proof sent to him by email, and he has a link on the notice which email he would like. But then on Tuesday, we have Mr. Fraley, who wants it sent to him by blue stylus, and then also on Tuesday, Mr. Cisneros in Riverside only takes U.S. mail, though I have heard that he does have a new email system to get the information to him. Then on Thursday, the 16th, Mr. Simons would like to have the information sent to him by blue Stretto. I should say by Stretto, not blue, by Stretto. And in addition, Mr. Simons on next Thursday, the 16th, wants to have his questionnaire completed by the clients beforehand. So if you need a copy of Mr. Simons' questionnaire, go to his website. Larry Simons' website, and it'll have a copy of his questionnaire. If you need a copy, can't get it on his website, just send me an email. All right, so the most important thing for us is to get that information to the trustees. Driver's license, Social Security copies, because if they don't receive them, then the United States trustee says the hearing doesn't have to take place. Send the driver's license, send the Social Security card copies to the trustee along with the taxes. And if your client pays child support, then send the DSO information as well. One thing that the trustees have said that they need to have done is have the clients review the bankruptcy information sheet. Now on my website, bkmike.com, I have a copy of the bankruptcy trustees information sheet. You know, when we're at the hearings, it's that sheet that we have the clients read, both in Spanish and English. Well, I have a copy on my website and a link to the United States Trustees website if you need English or in Spanish. So have them read it before the telephonic hearing. So how do these telephonic hearings work? Well, you and your client, and I have been doing them, I'll be doing them for some of my attorney clients as well. We will call in to the number that the trustee assigns to each, that the United States trustee assigns to each trustee, and that information is on my website. Then we input the code, the special code to go into the room, and every hour when the hearings are called, the attorney and all the clients will be in this virtual room. And when the case is called forward, the person The client and the debtor and the attorney all are talking to the trustee. In the meantime, those of us who aren't been called, we're waiting in the background. And what the trustee suggests is we all mute our telephones so that we don't interfere with the proceedings. There are 2 trustees in Chapter 7 world that are going to be doing Zoom calls. And also Mr. Danielson, our Chapter 13 trustee, is going to be doing Zoom calls. So we have the option if we want to appear by video like this or just by telephone. Mr. Danielson expects most of the people will appear by telephone. Their Zoom is set up such that they can either do by video or by telephone. So the important thing is to know that the photo ID and Social Security card has to be information has to be sent ahead of time, or the case will be continued. Just yesterday, April 7th, the United States trustee for the United States issued some directives on the recovery rebates that each taxpayer will be receiving, and if they'll be allowed to use, if they'll be counted against them in bankruptcy, and the ruling or the guidelines are that they will not. There's something that's the trustees are asked not to go after. So if you want a copy of that, go to my website as well. Well, that is your video update. See if there's anything else. Remember, go to my website for up-to-date information on the Riverside telephonic hearings and also the Central District of California. So with that, thank you. This is Mike Govea, your bankruptcy special appearance attorney. And yes, I will be still appearing on the telephonic hearings. If you need some help in Riverside, give me a call. And follow me at bkmike.com. Thank you.